Paint with us. Crayon dragon.
We're gonna draw a dragon and we're gonna draw it in a very free manner. So the first thing you're gonna do is draw the shape of a head for the dragon, and then you're gonna do a doodle. Okay, you're gonna do a doodle. Alright, so once you're done with the doodle, what you're gonna do is we're going to make the doodle line a bit thicker. We're gonna use a white pastel to make that doodle line a bit thicker. As you move down, it's gonna become a little bit thinner. The beginning will be a little bit fatter. And then we're gonna color the head. Next, we're going to get a yellow crayon to add in the belly of our dragon. Okay, the belly, you will just keep doing it on one side of your dragon. It's okay to overlap. Okay, doesn't matter which side, you just make sure you do it all throughout. Once you're done with that, pick another color for the spikes on the dragon, and I'm going to pick green color. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add spikes on my dragon, but I'm adding friendly spikes. Okay, it's okay if it's going over your drawing. Okay, notice I'm doing it on the side that's red. And it gets smaller with a tail. Next, I'm gonna get the red again, and I'm gonna add some legs. One feet here, one feet here, another here, and another here. Alright, and next I'm gonna add some horns for him. Same thing, I'm gonna use red. Next, I'm gonna add the whiskers. Again, it's a random scribble. And next, I'm going to add in the eyes. Just use a black and in the eyes and the nostril and the mouth. Last, I'm going to be painting the background. I'm going to paint over the back. Gonna get some white. And we're done.
Yay!
Studio Online Academy.